In today's 2-Minute Marketing Mayhem, we're talking about those people who just flat out spam you. My name is Peter Beckett, I'm the Village Marketer, and I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. You've just accepted a friend request on Facebook, for example, and within a nanosecond, boom, there's a link landing in your message box. Well, now the worst thing you can do is click the link, right? If you click that link, I can tell you, you're going to look just as desperate as they are, because that's exactly what it is, right? They are desperate. They're probably broke. That's why they're using this form of marketing with you, right? Instead, be smart. Sure, you can avoid them. Sure, you can unfriend them. That's the easy option. But you could also generate a potential lead from this very same spammer. For example, ask them, tell me, why did you select that line of business? Or how long have you been in the business? Or is it working for you? How much money have you made? I mean, those questions are aimed at deflecting them, disturbing them, and ruffling their feathers, and showing them that you are not some easy patsy. Another thing you could say to them is, have you ever thought about using attraction marketing rather than this push marketing approach you're applying with me? I mean, don't be scared to say it. Truly, I mean, what's the worst they can do? Unfriend you, right? Well, they're not even a friend anyway, right? Another thing you could say to them is this. Do you ever get sick of approaching and pitching people like this? I mean, these are legitimate questions, right? As I said before, you get nothing to lose. Try it, because you never know. These people are desperate. And if they're desperate, they may be in need of what you have to offer. So if you can ruffle their feathers and get them to come back and say, what are you talking about? What do you mean attraction marketing, or whatever it is, right? All of a sudden you might have an opportunity to help them. And if you can help them, then your business opportunity potential could be there in the future. That's my thoughts for today, all right? Spammers are a pain in the butt, I know. But sometimes you can turn them around and that can become your very hottest prospects as well. If you want any more help on those sort of things, or on sales skills, because I specialise in that, send me a personal message. Be more than happy to share with you. I've got a special coaching program on sales skills too. If you want to know about that, let me know. All the best. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.